kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. But today I'm going to show you how you can make yourself your apple cider vinegar drink. Hopefully you will enjoy the recipe and subscribe to the channel. Please leave your comments below, and remember, it works really well for everyone. Well, so many people use it and so many people recommend it and so many people love it. I myself, I used it before and I will never stop using it because it works well for me. And I'm introduced someone to the apple cider vinegar to tell you that it works really well for everyone who try it. So why you don't try it too? Anyway, today I made myself a drink from it, and this is it right here. Basically this is the apple cider vinegar right here. Basically you will see it through the video. And I'm saying you need to get the one which said with the mother. Don't go and just buy an apple cider vinegar because Chef Ricardo said it. You need to get the original one. This is the original one. Look at the bottle and look at the shape, and you will see this bright yellow writing on it. That's the one you need. Basically probably get it in a local shop or the supermarket, or I don't know, probably check on the internet because sometimes it's very hard to get. But today I made myself a drink from it, and this is it right here, and I'm telling you, it works really well and I love it, and I will never stop drinking my apple cider vinegar because it is good, and it's good for you to lose weight, especially if you have too much belly fat and you want to get rid of your belly fat, if you want to be healthy, if you're doing sports, if you are go to the gym. This works really well. So cheers with my friend them who make it already, and if you want to make it, if you want to try it, give it a try. Cheers with you as I show you how I drink mine. And it's nice, I love it. The beauty is I use a little bit of cinnamon in mine, and the cinnamon brings up a lot of flavor. I use honey in mine, and the honey does really well. Before you use it, when they say, oh, Chef Ricardo, you're going to use honey in yours, well, I use a little bit of lukewarm water and 2 teaspoons of honey, sweeten it first, then I add all of my rest of the ingredients into the water, and then you'll see how I make it. Well, if you watch the video, you'll see everything, the tips, the idea of everything, how to make this nice lovely apple cider vinegar today from Chef Ricardo. And as I say, give it a go, give it a try, come back and write your comments below. Remember, subscribe to the channel and get some of my video, and also you can donate to the YouTube channel. We got a brand new studio coming out, and also we also have the book online, 50% off. And remember, apple cider vinegar, good for your skin, your face, your whole body, cleanse you and make you a brand new person. Good for your teeth, good for everything. Thank you so much. This is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and see you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. Welcome back to with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen. Today we're gonna show you how you can use your apple cider vinegar to lose weight, to be not just lose weight and also be healthy. It's good for your skin, good for your face, good for a lot of stuff. Cleanse you, clean you, purify you, and make you the person which you want to be. Basically, I want to simply say to you, if you notice on the ingredients right here, it even tell you that it's good for work, sports, and gym. So guys, if you are a person definitely want to be healthy, this is where it come in really handy. And if you want to go to the shop and you're gonna buy your vinegar, please don't buy any vinegar. You need to buy the one that said with the mother, all right? And it's must say apple cider vinegar, the original one. This is the best vinegar in this whole wide world, and I'm introducing to you, if you take this 3 times daily, honestly, you will see the result in 1 week's time. So I want to simply say to you today that 3 times daily you need to take it, 1 in the morning, that's the first time, and 1 at lunch, and 1 after dinner, all right? Or before dinner, and then make it set inside of you for a couple of hours, half an hour or so. But that's the best time to take it. Apple cider vinegar, a lot of people recommend it in this whole wide world because a lot of people know the result when they get from it, and this is it right here. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do mine, and I'm gonna drink it, make you guys see. Also, it's good for skin, good for face, it's good for so many things. So first of all, let's go into the process. As I said before, we're gonna show you how to make a glass of it at home. This is my glass right here. First of all, I got some cinnamon right here. I have some honey, All I'm gonna do mine, I just boil my kettle and I put down my kettle for it to cool down about half an hour because I want to lose lukewarm water. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put a little bit of the lukewarm water inside of my glass, not too much. And then what I'm gonna do next is get my teaspoon right here. I'm using a teaspoon and I'm gonna squeeze 1, 2 teaspoons of honey inside of it, because the honey goes really well with the lukewarm water. And also what I'm gonna do is just add some cold water. This is my cold water in my jug right here. I'm gonna just add it about right there, so roughly. So what happened now is killing it. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a pinch of cinnamon inside of the water like this and give it a spin. I like my cinnamon. I don't know about anyone else, but I love my cinnamon. Alright, then second thing, we're gonna get the apple cider vinegar. Give it a shake first. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna use a good teaspoon. So let's put a little bit more of it. Give it a mix and give it a taste and see it tastes to you. I might put 1 more teaspoon and another one. So 4 teaspoons. Give it a taste. Perfect. Because I can taste the vinegar now. The apple cider vinegar. Basically, if you want to add more, you can always add more to yours. That depends on your like yours one, but I'm not making a lot. Then I'm gonna put some ice in it. Nice one. Lovely. Give it a stir. Voila. And as you can see, these 3 things right here do works really well, guys. And I'm telling you, I don't know about anyone else, but you can try this at home. As you can see right here, this is from Chef Ricardo on the team, and we are telling you one of the best ever way you can lose weight and be healthy is try the apple cider vinegar. It's the best, and this is the original one, and you need to buy the one which said mother. All right, lovely, and enjoy the recipe. And as I can see, I said drink this 3 times a day. Basically, you can get a jug or a bottle, some container, and fill it and drink it 3 times a day. Really good for you. Enjoy the ideas and enjoy the recipe. And when you buy it, you can read the full instruction at the side right here, telling you how to use it and what you can do with it. So this is the vinegar you need to get right here. Apple cider vinegar. Well, it is in, you can get it online or in the local supermarket or local shop. You know what I mean? All you need to do is just go on the internet, type up apple cider vinegar, and see where you can get it to buy. Nice. Enjoy the recipe and ideas, and I'm gonna make the next video how to use it to clean your face and your skin. Enjoy. See you next time.